Good job.
Bravo.
C'est bien, hein? So today we got 1, 2. Ta-da! It's our 1000th show. We bought a cake. Yummy. We are gonna go. Oh yes, more. We're gonna go and have a night out with our friends here from Moulin Rouge. So we bought a bigger cake than usual, and we're gonna decorate it here, and then we're gonna take it to a restaurant, and there we're gonna celebrate. Number 2 of our huge celebration is a photo shoot tomorrow morning in front of Eiffel Tower in the middle of Paris.
I think 1000 is a big number. It's a lot, and it makes me think and remember all the shows that we did. We did a lot, actually. We did many shows and many shows in terms of production.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think just being at 1000.
No, we did 1000 in like 2 to 3 years. Like it's more 2 years than 3 years. But let's say 2.5 years for 1000. So for 10,000, yeah, that would be like 25 years.
Yeah.
That's maybe a bit much.
But the thing I remember the most right now is the very first show. The very first one we did before we did none. We had one. The very first show we did was a show we did just for fun. It was in a cabaret at school, and it was a sexy act. We called it Kazaki Sexy. How do we call it?
Yeah, sexy Kazaki,
something like that. And that's a show we just presented only once, and it's just so funny to think about that very first show and to think about how far we came after all of that time.
Yeah, that is so true.
And after that act we did just for fun, crazy, sexy, and now 1000. Who would have believed on that very first show, us first, that we'd be doing a career after that?
Yeah, that's so true.
So it's quite a
Success.
Success, you call it success?
I call it success.
I call it love.
Oh. We were young. We were.
Yeah, so what did you think? Not bad, but I think we got a little better. You want to give a look of what I'm doing right now?
What are you doing right now?
Look at this. So this is the cake, and it's actually funny, like, do you realize, you guys, like, how often do you put 1000 on your cake?
Yeah, that was the story.
And the funny story is that I went to the shop to buy these because they're separate, like, numbers. And I went to the shop and I went to pay, and she didn't see one of the zeros. So at first she was like, 100, and like she screamed, like, and there was like 2 people waiting in the line, and 2 people were like, what is happening? I'm like, no, it's not. And then she sees another zero, she's like, 1000. And then I'm like, don't worry about it, it's all fine. It was funny, like honestly being like on the shock, like 1000, 100,000.
It's looking good to me.
It looks good. That's a great cake. Woo!
Great.
We're gonna go have dinner at the restaurant with all of our friends.
That's where we're going. There. Un coucou pour la caméra. Oh!
Oh, hello!
Oh, hello!
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
It's not about personality matrixels in the
Ah,
chart.
mais c'est
It's all about the
It's so cool.